Cameraman caught a plane landing without landing gear. Give this a look, Will. I know you're a big, flight simulator guy. This is not a simulator. This is real life. Go ahead and play the clip. So there's no landing gear. For whatever reason, I presume it's malfunctioning. And he's still got to pull it off. I guess he's running out of fuel. He's got to get the vehicle down. And this is where you got to be perfect.
Whoa.
You got to be perfect with no landing gear. See, his angle was off there. Little touch.
Ooh, big touch, big touch.
Well, you got to have to touch.
Uh-huh.
And you got to be thinking about friction and how far of a runway you have.
Yep.
Yeah.
Because you don't want all the friction at once. You don't want all the friction at once.
Oh, man, the flames.
Oh, the flames are there.
And to keep it straight.
Dead straight.
A little
This guy's a
maneuver,
champion, dude.
Dead
it would
straight.
like roll over.
What would it have felt like, I really wonder, to be a passenger in that plane?
Ooh.
Whoa. That's a light show at the very end.
Like, how different would it feel than having landing gear? Because looking from the side, it was level the whole time.
Yeah, but I guarantee you inside
But sometimes
there,
they have landing gear, they go, whoa, whoa. Sometimes, even with the, and I mean, they're dealing with winds and things like that, and I don't know what the conditions were like. And this is like a private jet, by the way, looking like it. But yeah, clearly a professional. I mean, you just have to have appreciation for this thing.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Maintaining is cool.
Because he doesn't have landing gear in the front either, does he? Does he have I mean, this video is obviously not the highest quality. I don't know if he has the front landing gear. Because I'm wondering why the
To
nose
me, it
doesn't
doesn't look like it.
But
He
then,
does.
so then it's even tougher.
I'm with
So-
you because I noticed that the nose was not touching. Or it
Oh,
didn't
yeah,
dip
no,
down.
now it is. Now it is. So he just found a way with the amount of pace, it stayed up. Now it's bobbing and touching the, see?
Yeah.
It's touching. So he had no front landing gear. Yeah, that ain't autopilot, Mo.
No.
That ain't autopilot. You know what? Humans are still all right, Mo.
Yeah.
Humans are okay.